Look at that, look at that. Just finished doing painting. Because this chipboard is so susceptible to moisture, I got the No More Gaps and the paint out this morning and decided to give it a good coat of paint, because I don't want it to start bubbling and swelling up, and you know how chipboard goes. It's shit, real shit wood. But it was cheap. I mean, plywood would have cost me, the board cost me, the tongue and groove board, $50 a sheet. There's 6 sheets, so that's $25 a sheet. So it's $150 for sheets. It would have cost me about $400 if I got like a 9mm marine ply. It would have cost me a good $400. But now I've painted it, I am quite happy with it. I'm not too concerned. I'll get years out of it, if not many years. So yeah, now we can wait for it to dry, and then we can put all of our boxes of nappies and wipes and building materials that we have, because there was a hardware store called Masters, and they went bankrupt a couple of years back. Well, they bankrupt or sold. They went in competition with Bunnings and lost, basically. And we brought up heaps of things like toilets, things we'd need if we want to make the house bigger and nicer. And because we got it at such a cheap price, just like the toolbox, you know, I got it for like 20%, 80% off. So stuff like that, and it's just sitting outside under the veranda, and this is perfect to store it all, nice, high and dry, out of the way. And then also it'll clear up the veranda to do other stuff. So anybody gonna pick on my construction methods? If I should have improved on something, because it's just something I made up in my head. There's no drawings or nothing, just me building out of Lego blocks. Just making it out of stuff I have and had. And I'm a little bit concerned about these, a little bit. I mean, I've been up there and it doesn't budge, but I'll probably put a couple more different supports in, and really attach it well with a couple of threaded bolts through the truss. There's lots of holes in these trusses, so I'll put a threaded bolt, a threaded rod through the floor, through that, you know, just in case. It's probably unnecessary, but that's just me. I overdo everything. Yeah, it's just the way I am. I like to be 100% sure. I've been up there and it doesn't move at all. It's just solid as a rock. It clangs and bangs a bit because it's a metal shed, but it's solid. So anyway, just thought I'd show you the finished product. And yeah, I'll probably build another one at the other end as well. And then it'll be 2 platforms, car hoist. It'll be platform, car hoist, and another platform like this one. And then I should have heaps of storage, and I can keep the workshop floor here clear to do Jeep stuff. And God, I've got so much stuff. I also realized that I can hang stuff from this ceiling here. I can put screws and stuff in the wood and hang stuff on it. So that'll be handy. I've got shelves under there now. I can put a lot of this stuff, like trays and boxes, I can put them on the shelf underneath. Hang on, I'm on it later. But see, I put shelves underneath as well. So the speakers can be hung up on the wall or something. And in probably one of these corners, I'll put the computer and a screen for my vlogging, so I can give a good vlogging. So I'll get there, guys. I will get there in my own sweet time. It's beautiful weather out there, so I better film. Someone's asked us to film the garden on our other channel, so I better do that. And they want to know how the coconuts are growing. So anyway, peace. Take care. Stay safe. Stay friends. And keep on jeeping.